Our lawns, our gardens are getting a nice little drink of water, it looks like later on tonight. So if you do have any gardening to do this morning, it is clear and dry for the most part across the state. A little more cloud coverage to start the morning here in Denver with sunshine by the mid-morning and early afternoon. And then we're looking at more rain for the plains and some snow into Colorado's high country. Here's a look at satellite and radar this morning. Pretty quiet currently here across the state. A little more cloud coverage Denver and south. Your weather headlines, it will stay pretty unsettled though. Today it's going to be highs in the low 60s, rain expected for this afternoon and evening, and snow accumulating above 10,000 feet, especially for our northern and central Front Range mountains. You can see the I-70 corridor under that winter weather advisory. This will be tonight through midday tomorrow. Some very chilly conditions this morning into portions of the high country. Steamboat Springs, Craig, Meeker down across the southwestern corner of Colorado under a freeze warning until at least 9 a.m. and another round of gusty winds expected down south Alamosa under fire weather warning until 9 p.m. Now temperatures outside, no advisories for Metro Denver, but some wet weather is expected for this afternoon and evening. We're right now in the low to mid 40s, 46 degrees out at DIA, upper 30s only in Greeley, and you can see some cold conditions. Leadville, Steamboat, Aspen, and Gunnison all in the upper 20s to low 30s right now. Your hourly planner for the metro area will gradually see highs today in the low 60s. Usually this time of the year we top out in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees, well below average. Chance for showers arrives after about 3 o'clock. More widespread rain likely later on tonight. Highs will be around 60 degrees downtown through Parker, up into Keensburg and Bennett in the low 60s as well, and mountain towns Grand Lake and Estes Park only in the high 40s, and the winds and the clouds will increase quickly for this afternoon. High temperatures were still back to the 70s, nearing 80 degrees down near Lamar, and further west of the divide where we aren't going to be seeing quite as much snowfall for this next storm system, will be in the 60s in Aspen and Vail for this afternoon. Telluride in the upper 50s. The Avs at Ball Arena, if you're heading to or from the game, it is going to be pretty soggy by the end of it. 9 o'clock, we're expecting those temperatures to dip down to the mid and upper 40s, and that rain is likely. Snow mainly above 10,000 feet. We'll see a rain-snow mix below 8,500 feet into many of our towns out to the west near Rocky Mountain National Park. That snow will continue through early Wednesday morning. Rain likely for the plains, and could even see a light rain-snow mix over the Palmer Divide before we clear out through the day tomorrow. Cool and dry for Wednesday afternoon, then warmer air moves in for Thursday and Friday. Another round of late day storms will be possible to round out the week and start the weekend. Here's a look at our Super 7-day forecast. Daytime highs today, tomorrow in the low 60s, some wet roadways here across town for Wednesday morning. Then by Thursday, mid 70s, nearing 80 degrees on Friday afternoon. Warm and dry on Saturday, Jason. Feeling more like summertime with 85.